Shoo shoo wanna be high, up to the sky. You just like your daddy, shoo shoo. If that ain't stretchy shoo shoo and that catnip, I don't know what is. You gonna just bogart it and sleep in it? You just gonna take over, huh? You gonna just take over, shoo shoo? Really? Serenity can't even get in there good because you in the way. Messed up, huh, Serenity? Serenity, go on the other side. It's another pile. Unbelievable. Babe. Shoo shoo. You just like your daddy, shoo shoo. Really? You gonna sleep in it and bogart it? You not letting Serenity get? You just taking over both piles and sleep. Ain't this a bit? Baby, look at Shoo Shoo acting just like Stretchy. Took over both piles, sleep in it. Serenity can't even roll in it because Shoo Shoo took over. Look at, unbelievable. You just like your daddy. Look, Serenity want to have a ball, but Shoo Shoo in the way. Serenity ready to rock and roll, but Shoo Shoo like, no. If that ain't Stretchy. And then sleep. You gonna sleep in the catnip? You ingested it today, that's why you ate it. Hey, Aquafina. You pregnant? Serenity got you pregnant already? Where's Tuxedo Man? Where's my Tuxedo Man? Wedo, what happened to your eye? Oh my God. Oh, you're getting a taste of your own medicine. That's why your eye scratched. Look at Wedo. Oh my God, y'all. Oh, Shoo Shoo like, I don't want this right now. Wedo's like, I don't care. Oh, oh my. Oh, they're fighting in the catnip. Stop that. Oh. Y'all funny. Little Pooh. Little Pooh like, y'all tweaking. What's going on with this catnip stuff? Little Pooh like, Shoo Shoo's sleeping it. Ooh. Stretchy part 2. This is exactly how your daddy was about catnip. I'm not lying. That's crazy. Enjoy. Adorable. Y'all so cute. The other babies is like, what y'all got going on? Huh? What they got going on? Little Pooh, Growler, Aqaufina, Shoo Shoo, and Wedo. And where's Serenity go? Serenity's behind me. And Shoo Shoo's eating it. Hi, Little Pooh. Little Pooh, for you, for you. Serenity is the bag checker. Ain't nothing in there, Serenity. That's a dirty situation. Oh, it's getting on your cut, huh? Where's Tuxedo Man? There you go. Now Serenity like, shoot, can I get in where I fit in? You better get in there, Serenity. Shoo Shoo's a mess. There you go. Yeah. Get in there. All right. I love y'all. Good morning.